Thanks so much for joining us. This is the only property like it in all of Hammonds Plains. I'm Matt Morant with eXp Realty, and I'm really happy to have you join us here today. We're on just under 3 acres, set in nature, lots of privacy. You want to make sure you watch through to the very end of the video because this property has more than meets the eye. We have a freshly renovated basement, a beautiful custom sauna, and a detached garage that when we get in there and take a look at it, if you have toys, if you're looking to work from home, this is a spot that you need to see. Come on inside. I can't wait to show this off. Thanks so much. This concludes our tour. I'm standing by the 1,000 square foot detached garage shop that I'd mentioned. Again, if you're a nature lover, if you're a home business owner, looking to work from home, looking for a place to keep inventory, or even maybe you're looking to, down the road, have the family join you. Maybe you have some in-laws and this building could be converted into an in-law suite. Again, thanks so much for joining us, everyone. I'm Matt Morant with eXp Realty. Come take a tour of this beautiful property with your realtor. If you're not working with a realtor, get in touch with me. I'd be happy to bring you through. Thanks very much.